Hey, so if image downloads are not working in Clipdrop, yeah, like the download button doesn't respond or files won't save to your PC, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, downloads can fail if the connection drops even for a second. Next, yeah, click the download button again. I mean, temporary glitches can cause a failed download attempt. Now, browser extensions can block download scripts. Try turning them off temporarily. Yeah, make sure you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, unsupported browsers can break file downloads. Now, corrupted cache can stop downloads from starting properly. Clearing cache often fixes this issue. Yeah, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this removes extension and cache conflicts. Now, make sure your PC has enough storage. I mean, downloads will fail if your disk is full. Yeah, VPNs or proxies can block download requests. Try turning them off. If nothing works, switch to another browser or device. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local or server related. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop image download not working. Most of the time, it's browser issues, storage, or cache problems. Try these steps and your downloads should work again. Thanks for watching.